Hey guys, Padogiri here. Just a quick one to react to a post I just read on Ireland now, a very funny post. Actually, it made a front page. I don't really know how to switch this camera, flip the camera during video recording. I think there's no feature like that on iPhones, but I'll just speak. If you go to Ireland and search for my worst regret while trying to make money online, you'll see the post. As at when I'm making this video, the post is on the front page, or is on the front page. Yeah, the topic: my worst regret while trying to make money online. And a guy here who calls himself Brila made the post, and it's crazy. He went on to narrate some crazy funny stuffs. I mean, blaming all sort of everyone but himself for his inability to make money. Like, according to him, he said he saw a post or an advert that reads how to make 200 to 300k when sleeping. So he jumped and bought the course. And then he slept and slept and slept. He didn't make money. That sounds very, very funny and crazy. But when you tell somebody how to make money while sleeping, literally, that doesn't mean you're sleeping. You're like, you just get the course or whatever, and then you start sleeping, and then the money starts coming in. If the person has something like a brain in the head, you should be able to understand that what it means. It's just like saying that what it makes money while sleeping. He's sleeping, his sugar factories are working for him, his cement factories are working for him, he's away, they are working for him, his money is coming into his account. That's literally what he meant. So I don't know why that guy would choose to misunderstand it in such a way so that he'll have something to jab at, right? Actually, it's very possible to make money while sleeping. You set up the systems and then you can sleep and make money. That's it. So that's it, guys. There's nothing like fold your legs, sleep, and then make money. What we have is set up systems and you can make money while you sleep. Because if you have a course, for example, selling, and you're sleeping, people can buy your course and money comes into your account. So that's it. Yes, it's actually possible to make money while sleeping. Cheers.